Alright, we back with another one. Look at this little cutie here. This is a Bumblebee banana male. Just over a month old. Was born of May 27th. So literally just over a month old. Cutie little thing. Look at that. Absolutely love the colors and markings. I'm really liking this one because it's close to, but not really, ultra male. Like definitely off. Like ultra male is a bit more like darker and a bit different, but I like it because it's close to ultra male. And ultra male is one of my favorite morphs in the ball python world. So I'm digging this little cutie right here. He's adorable. So again, that is a Bumblebee banana male. Killer.